This is a unique project. We put together a luggage rack in walnut with white maple staves to keep the luggage off of the wood itself. And we made it fold up per the client's request so that it would be easy to store. This is how it folds up. Step 1, the back goes down. Step 2, the shelf folds up out of the way. Step 3, the sides fold in. Step 4, the top folds down. Now you have a small unit that doesn't take up much space that you can hide away in the closet when not in use. This was made for our client because they have a B&B and the room is only Air B&B sometimes. So he wanted to be able to fold this up and put it away when not in use. That's it.